Hi guys, I am back with a gel polish mani. So Nail Addict was kind enough to send me over 8 of their polishes from a December to Remember collection. There's a total of 10. They sent me over 8. So thank you, Nail Addict. So we will be covering those or doing a mani with those colors. I don't know what I'm trying to say. So here are the colors swatched. One side gives me traditional Christmas and the other side gives me retro Christmas. I'm still trying to figure out the orange, but anyway, you guys know I love me some Nail Addict gel polishes. So hang out with me while I do this gel polish application. And you guys already know I have on my Luxie nail builder gel. I use that as a base, and I have on my Hollow Taco Pilly base coat for easy removal. So I have applied Nail Addict's the base and cured for 30 seconds, and then the color that I'm using is Magical, which Nail Addict sent me over. And then the other color I did purchase is Sparkles. It's a real pretty kind of iridescent type of white color, has shimmer in it, so it's really pretty. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this application. So guys, listen, I removed my builder gel on my left hand with Triple D Get Naked. It's a remover. It took forever, by the way. So when I took it off, I decided not to rebuild my pinky. So for right now, little tink tink is hanging on in there. Just pray for my little tink tink pinky, and we're just gonna keep it moving. So my pinky and my ring finger, they're a little shorter than the rest of the nails, and that's fine. I just reapplied my builder gel. There were so many layers, so you want to keep in mind when you're doing your builder gel feel, you want to make sure that you doggone file down as much as possible. You will have thick nails, and when you're ready to remove, doggone it, you'll have layers and layers of builder gel to remove. So note to self. So guys, I'm going in and applying Nail Addict's the No Wipe top coat in preparation for nail stamping. So guys, this is a giveaway video. I will be giving away 6 of Nail Addict's Sparkle Up collection gel polishes. And the giveaway rules are: you must be subscribed, make sure your subscription is public, live in the US, like this video, and enter me in the comments down below. Just enter one time, and this giveaway ends on 12/26 at 11 a.m. and I will try to announce the winner around 12 p.m. this same day. So again, make sure that your subscription is set to public temporarily so that I'm able to confirm that you're actually subscribed to my channel. So guys, these are the nails with Nail Addict's the No Wipe top coat applied. I'm going to go in and with some nail stamping. This is CJS Clear Jelly Stamper Plate C43. We're going to go in with some stripes, kind of make these like candy canes. So the stripes, there's 2 parts. You have the thicker stripes and the thinner stripes. So the colors I'm going to be using are color 63 and 94. All items that I use will be linked in the description bar down below. I also have a discount code for Clear Jelly Stamper, which will be down below as well. So I recently made a purchase on Clear Jelly Stamper. I got some mixing marbles to put in my stamping polishes just because they've been sitting for a while. And I wanted to get mix those up as best as possible. And I hear these mixing balls are great. So I think they retail for about $5.99 on the site, I do believe. And I'm just dropping 1 ball in each polish and shake that up. These are actually their metallic polishes. I think I bought these sometime last year. I can't remember if they came in the set, but I like the colors of that. So I'm going to mix those up, and guys, just hang out with me while I do this stamping. So I'm just going in and with my stamper, I'm prepping it by rolling it on the sticky pad. You can do a lint roller. You don't have to have the sticky pad. You can use a lint roller. It serves the same purpose. And then before you use your plates, you want to clean them off with acetone, which is what I'm doing here. Letting that dry. It doesn't take long for acetone to dry. And then I'm going to go in with the color Scarlet Letter first. That is color 63. It's like a metallic red. And I'm just placing that all over the image, scraping, picking up with my stamper, and I'm just going to place that straight down on the nail and hold it. And so in between each stamp, if you're using the same image, you want to clean your stamper off. Again, I'm using the sticky pad by Clear Jelly Stamper. You can use a lint roller, and you want to clean your plate off again because you want to get crisp lines as much as possible. And the only way to really do that is to clean your plate off, or image I should say, is to clean your plate off between each stamp. And then I'm just repeating that, and I'm going to stamp those stripes on my middle finger as well. You can see it went on perfect. I wasn't going to use any type of latex barrier or non-latex barrier because, excuse me about that, I hit my hand on the table. Last time I used that, I pulled my skin up because it was so dry, and my hands are really dry this time of year for whatever reason. So I'm just going in with the color Passionate Pink, and I'm going to use that on the smaller stripes, and I'm going to stamp that as well, press and hold on my finger. And I'm just scraping at an angle, and I'm just going in and picking that right up. I kind of rolled it. Some people will press straight down and pick it up. Those finer lines, they kind of got a little wonky in some spots, but I don't think it was just too bad. But look how pretty that is. I think it's so pretty. And I do have an inspo photo where I got the idea to do this from, and I'll show that at the end. So guys, I'm just repeating that process with cleaning the plate, applying the polish, scraping with my scraper card at an angle, and just picking that image up with the stamper head and pressing and holding that on my nail. And I thought it was the cutest thing. the cutest. I actually loved it. I hate that these pulled up the next day. That's the one thing about peel base. You cannot guarantee how long it's going to last. And these bad boys lifted up the next day, and I just popped them off. I was like, oh, how cute. I can look at you. I can look at the little peely on the table, but that's about it. And I can look at this video and pictures that I took. But anyway, so once I clean up the excess stamping polish on my skin and cuticle area, I'm going to apply another layer of Nail Addict's the No Wipe top coat and cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So look at that mess on my mat there. And so it has a plastic backing so I don't get my table messed up. These are disposable, so as soon as I finish, I just go in and throw this, fold it up and throw it away. And again, these are disposable. So guys, here is the finished look, nice and shiny. So here is my inspo photo I got off Pinterest. And these are actually stencils. So when I tapped on, I was like, stencils? I guess they got them from What's Up Nails. They have a lot of stencils. And I was like, there is no way I'm getting ready to try this with gel polish. And I was like, I know I got a stamper plate with some stripes on there. Sure enough. So you guys will have to let me know what you think. Oh, that's cute. Now that's cute, but I had a smaller candy cane image. It just wasn't working out for your girl. But anyway, so you guys, once your nails have cooled off, you want to apply your favorite cuticle oil. I'm using Candy Skincare cuticle oil. This is sugar cookie. Smells just like a sugar cookie. Smells really good. I just worry about getting all these oils. Like I use a lot of oil throughout the day every time I wash my hands, because in the wintertime, fall and wintertime, your hands be just buckety. But you want to massage that in really well, get underneath the nail as well as the cuticle area. And so you guys will have to let me know what you think. Please like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. The giveaway ends on 12/26 at 11 a.m. So you guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next week, or I'll see you next time. Bye.